But what we're going to click on now is import or recover wallet using your secret phrase. And this will also show you that if somebody had access to your secret phrase or seed phrase, this is exactly what they could do on their end, just to show you how important it is to keep that safe and secure. So we're going to click on import or recover wallet. And at this point, we have to set a password for the extension itself. This isn't going to be for the app or anything like that. This is just the password that you're going to have to use to open up your extension on your browser, because anybody who had access to your computer would be able to access this. So this password protects you from unauthorized users accessing the extension. So go ahead and set this now and then click on the next button. And now you're going to type in your 12-word secret phrase that we recorded earlier on in the tutorial. Now, if you're importing a different wallet and it has more words, you can change it to a 24-word phrase if that's what you have. But in this case, it's just the 12-word phrase from earlier. So I'm going to type that all in, and then we're going to click on the next button together. Once you have that all typed in, you're going to click on the next button. Now, for some reason, it's telling me this is an invalid secret phrase. So most likely I have a spelling error somewhere. So I'm going to check my words real quick. So I got the secret phrase to work, and the problem was I had one word written down wrong. Word number 8, I thought it was identity, but it was actually identify. So one letter can make this not work. You have to make sure you have the exact spelling and the exact word correct. So that is a really good example here of how things can get a little bit confusing with these secret phrases. Anyway, now we're going to click on the next button, and then we're going to either share data or click on no thanks, depending on your preferences. And then it gives us confirmation that we have successfully imported our wallet. And now we're going to click on open wallet, and we can now click the X in the corner here, and this is going to show us our wallet.